Hi, how's it going? Well, I have been so busy this week making the most of the wonderful, wonderful weather. Finally have a taste of summer. The bed is now complete. I've added legs to it. It slides in, it slides out. You can sit on it, you can lay on it as a single bed or a double bed. And the bed slides in and out pretty well. It's a little bit difficult, it does catch a little, needs some tweaking, but I'm definitely not destined to be a carpenter. You've got access to the sink and everything. Underneath I've boxed off all the electrics so they're all together, accessible from outside. I may be adding a hatch so they're accessible from inside at some point in the future. So there we are, and have a lovely summer. Catch you later. Thanks for watching. I love you. Bye bye.